So my thing has come. Um, I'm gonna have to. I always like watching unboxings, so yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. It's a huge box. It's a box within a box. A box within a box. So, get me in box within a box. I have to get the dress sticker off. Even though most people have already been doxed, some people know where we live. So, this is it. Box within a box. Hi everyone. Lazy day. Oh my god, you cannot see properly because of the light thing. The light situation. Lazy day time. Lazy day. Unboxing. Thingy. Come to see the guitar, not me, so it's not a fashion show. It's like a box within a box. Parcel Fast bought it. Alexa, what time is it?
Good morning, Elizabeth. It's 11:48 a.m.
So it's 11:48. A box within a box. Box within a box, as you can see. Oh, strong box as well. Oh, it's a Fazley telecaster guitar. Oh, look at it out. People, lots of people. Okay, so it's Fazley on it. Can't really see it that well. Got one gig bag. I'm waiting for my strap to come. Waiting for the strap to come. Ooh. That's how it is. I will move the camera once I've opened it. I'm just tearing it apart. Because no one keeps a box, do they? Well, I don't keep a box. Seems to be well packaged. Oh, and it's B stock. So because it's B stock, it's not brand new, is it? I think it's like a customer return, something like that. Which is fine with me. Then we go and get some scissors. I actually need a wee. I think I ordered it on Friday. I think it was. Friday. So here's the guitar. You can guess what colour it is. It's quite well packaged. Oh, back's music. So they put the guitar in that bit, and they put these two. This is quite nice, well packed cable, which is a good cable. Because look, this cable, it's like this, like that. I like that. I like the bend in that.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
It's just electrical. Whoa. I always wanted a guitar that looks like this. I think it looks. I think my signature, the signature things for the guitar are going to be white and black. That's my signature colours for my life as a rock star. I love rock and roll. Like, I love that song. I love rock and roll. Whoa, that Fazley. Look at that. Headstock's not big. Telecaster. Woo! A Telecaster. Check at that. Black Telecaster. It's like heavy. Feels a bit heavy. It's heavy, but it's not. too heavy. Chrome. 3 switch position. It's always got plastic on here. I'm sure it's got plastic on there. It's got plastic on there. Yeah, it has. And it always has plastics on here. But yeah, it's nice. I don't know what I can say. So let me move the camera so you can actually see it. You can see what we're looking at, what we're working with. It's nice. I like this thread. I like the dark colour. It's just nice. And then take all these stickers off. It's a nightmare to get off. The straps coming today. It's quite heavy. Quite heavy. But I like the headstock's not too... the headstock is not too big, because the Squire Mustang headstock's really big, but this isn't really big. But yeah, so I'll demonstrate me playing it. Obviously I can't play that. I can't play. I've only just started again, so we'll see.